a crucial role in various physiological processes within the human body. 1. Vitamin D synthesis. Sun exposure is a natural source of vitamin D, vital for bone health, immune function, and overall well-being. UVB rays from the sun interact with the skin, converting a precursor molecule into active vitamin D. 2. Circadian rhythm regulation. Sunlight helps regulate the body's internal clock, influencing the sleep-wake cycle and overall circadian rhythm. Exposure to natural light in the morning helps improve alertness and mood. 3. Mood and mental health. Sunlight stimulates the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter linked to mood elevation and feelings of well-being. Lack of sunlight exposure has been associated with conditions like seasonal affective disorder, SAD. 4. Skin health. While moderate sun exposure is beneficial, excessive sun exposure can lead to skin damage, including sunburns, premature aging, and an increased risk of skin cancer. UV radiation from the sun can damage skin cells and their DNA. 5. Eye health. Prolonged exposure to UV rays without protection can contribute to eye issues such as cataracts and macular degeneration. Wearing sunglasses with UV protection is crucial for safeguarding eye health. Sunlight is a double-edged sword. While it provides essential benefits, moderation and protective measures are key to ensuring its positive impact on overall health. Balancing sun exposure with protective measures helps harness the benefits while minimizing potential harm.